Now I'm taking one more question, 24th question. It's 4x. That comes to our mind. Again, I'm starting from left hand side. This much you must have understood by now that I have to convert it to 2 theta. But the problem is for cos 2 theta, there are 3 identities. Which identity should I apply? That is for sure it will be applied once again also. But right now what should I do? See, you have 3 identities. One is cos square x minus sin square x. One is, this is all for cos 2x. One was 2 cos square x minus 1. One was 1 minus 2 sin square x. Right? Now, I don't know if it can be done with some other also. But my thought process is, you can try, that in the sin and cos both are coming. In none of the identities sin and cos, if it is coming, it is with minus sign, not in the product form. So what I guess is somewhere sin 2x is also applied. For sin 2x, my first identity should be of sin. So I am trying to apply sin identity. It will be 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Right? 1 minus sin square 2x. Theta here is 2x. But it is still in 2x. So I can still apply identity one more time. Please see what I am going to do now. I am going to apply this identity. Sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a. Every time I am writing all the identities which are being used so that it helps you to learn. Please see it and learn. Don't copy. Then it will be 2 to leave it. I have to apply identity on this portion. This square is later, okay? So I am applying it to sin x, cos x and its square. Right? Is it okay? Sin 2x. First time we applied cos 2x identity, sin wali. Now sin 2x identity, 2 sin x, cos x. So it will become 1 minus 2, its square will be 4 sin square x, cos square x. And in next step it will be 1 minus 8 sin square x, cos square x. I hope you get it. ठीक है, ये सबको क्लियर हो गया? बिल्कुल ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 है, लास्ट आई एम टेकिंग फ्रॉम दिस एक्सरसाइज. So what you have to think in this question is, where is it? Okay, cos 6x is equal, so I will not complete this question. 32 cos 6x minus 48 cos, if I have to complete, I think I should rub the board. Okay, I do it. Only then it will come completely, otherwise it won't come. And last for the day and last for the exercise. Yeah, cos, this is 25th question. Cos 6x is equals to 32 cos 8x minus 48 cos 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay. Now in this two identities will be applied. 6 can be written as 3 into 2x or it can be written as 2 into 3x. So पहली बार में मैं cos 3x की आइडेंटिटी भी अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ, cos 2x की. दोनों से सवाल हो जाएगा. Both will be same. Means you can solve it both. But I feel personally easy with this. Always cos 2x I apply first, right? So choice is yours. I always prefer doing with this, and it is, I feel it is simpler also. So I'm doing with this left hand side. Cos 6x is equals to cos 2 into 3x. Now the question is कि cos 2x की कौन सी आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करूँ? भाई that's very simple. मुझे आंसर में कहीं साइन दिख ही नहीं रहा है, ठीक है? तो मैं साइन वाली कोई भी आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई नहीं करूँगी. So I'm applying it to cos square 3x minus 1. I have applied this. Cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. डायरेक्ट अप्लाई किया करो प्लीज, हर बार डिराइव नहीं करके देखो. नाउ इट इज क्लियर. मुझे यहाँ 3x का आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करना है. cos 3x का आइडेंटिटी मैंने आपको याद करने के लिए तरीका बताया था. 43 मीन्स cos 3x would be 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos 6. Is that okay? So that's what I'm going to apply here. So it will be 2 minus 3 cos x and its square, and then minus 1. Please take care of the brackets. Okay, where is coming what? Now you just have to open the brackets. Let's see if we get it or not. So it will be 2, then a square, a, this is square, plus b square minus 2 into 4 into 3, 12 into 2, 24, a b cos 4x minus 1. I hope you get it, right? Now you open the bracket, multiplied by 2, 32 that is okay.